Hello and welcome to another edition of UFO News. I am Harry Thing.
And I am Roswell. What is that strange sound?
Sorry, I had burritos for lunch.
I am not talking about the usual cacophony that regularly emanates from your backside. I am talking about the strange noises being heard all around the world. Canada, Chile, England, Sweden, and Hungary, just to name a few.
Oh. What sort of noises?
They sound as if they are coming from either the ground or the sky, and sound almost machine-like. Sort of like a gigantic mechanical didgeridoo. Wow wow boing oing wow wow oing boing wow wow oh wow oh wow woo wow 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 oing going.
Wow wow boing oing wow wow oing boing wow wow oh wow wow woo wow oing going. What could it be?
Some think it is the Earth groaning under extreme pressure at the edges of the tectonic plates.
That makes sense. But if that is what it is, what does that mean for us?
Well, it could mean that the Earth is about to shudder like never before, producing super earthquakes, giant tsunamis, fires, and all-around mass destruction and death.
I do not like the sound of that. What else could it be?
Some say it is the High Frequency Active Auroral Research Program, otherwise known as HAARP.
What is HAARP?
It is a research facility located in Alaska that does secret experiments that sap the upper atmosphere with a focused and steerable electromagnetic beam.
That does not sound good. What does it do?
HAARP publicity gives the impression that they are mainly an academic project with the goal of changing the ionosphere to improve communications for our own good.
For our own good. I have heard that one before.
However, other US military documents put it more clearly. HAARP aims to learn how to exploit the ionosphere for Department of Defense purposes.
That sounds more their style.
Earth-penetrating tomography, or bouncing signals off the ionosphere to look deep within the Earth, is one of the technologies developed at HAARP.
If it is penetrating the Earth, it only makes sense that it is going through all of us too.
That is right, Harry, and wait until you hear this. Air Force documents revealed that a system had been developed for manipulating and disturbing human mental processes through pulsed radio frequency radiation over large geographical areas.
That sounds like mind control.
According to geophysicist Gordon MacDonald, an accurately timed, artificially excited electronic strokes could lead to a pattern of oscillations that produce relatively high power levels over certain regions of the Earth. In this way, one could develop a system that would seriously impair the brain performance of very large populations in selected regions over an extended period.
Do you know what that means?
You live directly in its path?
What? No. It means that they must be gearing up for something big.
Another theory as to the origins of the sounds is that it is being made by aliens or the biblical trumpets of the apocalypse.
I have got a trumpet of the apocalypse for you.
Well, that is it for this edition of UFO News. I am Roswell.
And I am Harry Thing saying,
keep your face to space.
And your ears too.
You might want to clean yours,